Good people, what's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess this has been a wonderful trading week, and I guess you did enjoy your trading week. I enjoyed mine like I always do. I'm just on my P's and Q's and just on my grind, focusing on my shit, letting the rest be history, right? So this is your boy Han, and then I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I want to share or I want to break down how I add confluence to my entries using candlesticks, how I add confluence or how I add confirmation into my entries using candlesticks. This works on any trading pair. You can use it on any person. You can use it on any strategy. As long as you have your zone marked out, as long as you have the your levels marked out, and as long as you have like, okay, let me just say, as long as you have your important zones where you need to know that you buy above and you sell below, as long as you have zones that you're trading with, which you know that if price breaks out, you do this. If price supposed to break, you do this. As long as you have your supply and your demand for other traders, your support and your resistance, your highs, your lows, your intraday ranges, and anything, any type of things like that, right? So I prefer using it on support and resistance and breakout and retest of zones, right? So let's remember that like people, everything that I say, right, it's entirely based on my own experience and my own opinion. It does happen, it sometimes doesn't happen. The only thing I can afford to do is to just stick to what price is showing me, and at the same time follow my plans, follow my trading rules, and most of all stay patient and disciplined, right? So people, just so before we start off, right, I wanna show you guys how I catch such trades using patterns, using zones, and using candlesticks mostly, right? Let's when you look at gold, gold was pushing to the upside until we created this high, right? And then price pushed to the downside. So with price pushing to the downside and price coming back to our what? To our high, this very same high, you can see it, guys. This very same high, creating another high slash a double bottom, a double top, right? So with price creating a high, coming back to the very same high, creating some type of double top, or you can say price is creating some sort of resistance. It just depends on what you say it is. Price pushed, the minute price came back to this high, price pushed to the downside, coming back to the very same high for the third time. So when I now see that, okay, price came back once, the second time, and the third time. So when I now look at what's happening the third time, you can tell that price came back with a bullish candle, right? Failing to break above or to close above, with the coming candle trading bearish, right? So with the coming candle trading bearish, all I'm looking for is for those intraday lows, right? I can simply see this intraday low, right? This very same low here. I can see this intraday low. Now I have size. Now I have my first confirmation, right? Prices failing to break above previous highs. Prices gave us a triple top. That says, okay, the first conference price is failing to break the highs. Price is failing to break above our resistance. The second confluence, price is giving us signs of a triple top, right? The third confluence, it's what? It's once we see price trading below our previous intraday lows. That's or we need to confirm that price might look to continue to the downside. So when I see that prices created this, prices an intraday low, and I see that prices also giving us a momentum candle closing below this intraday low, I now know that price is failing to break my what? My resistance. Price is giving us a double top, price is giving us a triple top, and at the same time, we have at the same time we have a candlestick trading below our previous intraday low, confirming the triple top and the full to break off the resistance. We look to be what? We look to be bearish, right? So this depends on How is your risk to reward? How your risk reward is sitting? Is it a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or 1-to-3? I prefer 1-to-3, right? So in this instance, I could have went for what? For a clean 1-to-3, and that was going to be 8 people. That was going to be 8. Let's repeat. Price created a high. Price came back to the very same high, and price came back at that time to the very same high, failing to break that very same high, giving us a confirmed triple top, and it failed to break off resistance with the intraday low, price trading below an intraday low with a bear momentum candlestick. All we look for is for price to trade below that bear momentum candlestick and look to be bearish, right? So when you
Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trading, it's the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'll be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out.
fast forward, when you fast forward, price started trading above, right? And then price broke back in, right? And broke out again. So when you now see that, okay, price had a breakout, price once broke out and broke back in and breaking out again with a confirmed break above, coming back for a retest. So when I now know that price is trading above the very same zone, I can tell that we have a bull candle and we have a bear candle, bear engulfing candle trading above, trading coming back to our very same zone with multiple rejections. So when I see multiple rejections above a certain zone, whether it's support or resistance, all I look for if it's above resistance, it's once we see multiple rejections and we see a bullish candlestick, all we need to prepare ourselves is that price might be potentially looking for potential reversal or continuation to the upside. So let me repeat this. Price broke out of our resistance. Price came back for a retest of our resistance with multiple rejections and a bullish candlestick and a bullish candle close above our resistance, confirming to us that price might be looking to continue bullish, right? With the coming candle being my entry candle, right? With the stop loss below my target, on a target of a what? A clean 1-2-3, and that could have been 8 people. That could have been 8, right? That could have been 8. So let me repeat. Price had a break out of our resistance. Price came back for a retest, multiple rejections, right? Of a fail to break below again, confirming that price is failing to break below, and we are still having that bullish momentum in the markets with a bullish candlestick closing with a bullish candle close above our very same resistance. All we look for is for reversal or continuation to the upside, and that was 8 people. That was 8 people. So when we fast forward, 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 fast forward. When we now fast forward, we can tell that price had a what? A break out again of our very same what? Of our very same resistance. Price broke out, right? So with price breaking out, we all know that we need to wait for the retest before we can look to continue moving to the upside. So when you see price coming back for a retest, right? When you see price coming back for a retest, all I can see is, okay, price kind of like tempted to go break below, but price still closed bullish, but closed above our very same zone. With the coming candlestick, we're having what? A bear open and a bullish candle close, people. Let me repeat. Prices above resistance, with the first candle rejecting to break below of our resistance, right? With the coming candle having a bear open and a bullish candle stick and a bullish candle close above our very same resistance. All we look for is for the coming candle to give us a sign of a what? Trading of price, trading below of price, trading above that very same zone, and look for that what? For that reversal to the upside, right? And that will gonna be it, people. That gonna be it. That gonna be it, people. That gonna be it. So let me repeat this once again. Price is what? Price is above our resistance, right? We all know that we broke out of resistance. We need to come back for a retest before we can continue to the upside, right? So coming back on for a retest, you can tell that the first candlestick tried closing below, but unfortunately still closed above our resistance. With the coming candle being our confirming candle, right? With a bear candle open and a bullish candle close above our resistance, adding confluence to us that price is really failing to break below, or price is really confirming to us that we are looking to continue above long as we're trading on our resistance. And that is going to be it, people. That going to be it. So now, why am I doing this, or why am I sharing this video, people? I'm just trying to let you all understand, or I'm just trying to make you see the power of using candlesticks to confirm your entries, long as you're trading below or long as you're trading above a certain zone, right? In this instance, price has been trading above, price has been trading below, right? And I repeat this, people, this works on any trading pair or on any index or on any Forex pair, whatever pair that you can think of. This how you look for these entries does work, right, people? So let me repeat this, people. If you're trading above resistance, or if you're trading above a certain zone and you see that price is failing to break below and price is giving you signs that we are still looking to be going that direction, that price is trading above that very same zone, all you need to wait for is you need to wait for your candlesticks, right? The rejection candlestick or the bullish candle break above a certain zone or a certain candlestick, and look to continue that direction. Same thing if price is trading below. You need to wait for your what? For your rejections. You need to wait for your rejections and your bear candlesticks either breaking below or breaking below the very same previous candlestick, confirming that price is looking to be what? To be bearish or to be bullish, depending on where price is trading at that time. So people, I repeat this. This works on any trade, on any trading pair. How you apply this depends on you as a trader, and where you place your stop and where you place your targets depends on you as a trader. But how you look for your trades and how you add confidence into your trades is a success. I bet on it, people. I bet on it. This is a success. I do win trades, I do lose trades, but all I'm aware of is that I still get the 70 to 80% reward based on how I look for these trades and how I take these trades and how I confirm these trades and how I manage my risk when I'm executing these trades. Without further ado, people, this is your boy Harlan. That's all I got in this video. I'm out.